Hey guys, Justin here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today I'm taking a closer look at and installing Ford's tray-style all-weather front and rear mats with the Running Pony logo, available for your 2015 and newer Mustang at home. Now you guys should be considering these Ford options if you'd like to go with a factory-backed floor mat or liner to deliver both excellent coverage and protection to your S550 or S650, while also adding that iconic Running Pony logo to the interior at the same time. All right, let's start off with our list of features here, guys, and let's go with one of the biggest, and that is the fact that these are an official all-weather liner directly from Ford. And because they are a genuine Ford part, you can expect things like excellent fit, along with that iconic Running Pony logo that typically you'll only find on officially licensed options. But going back to that fitment that we talked about earlier, these tray-style liners really do hug the contours of the floor pan on your 2015 and newer car perfectly, and they do feature some pretty substantial raised edges to hold any spills, along with that really grippy honeycomb pattern here in the centers. That's gonna add a little bit more style, in my opinion, when compared to other maybe more bland or boring liners in the site. Moving into our construction block, and there's really not a ton to say here because these are floor liners after all, but one thing that did jump out at me when pulling these things out of the box for the very first time is just how thick this rubber-like material is. I've handled a lot of these liners here on the site, and some are thicker than others. These have to be up there with some of the thickest available for your Mustang. Now, we did mention that fit earlier, definitely on point here, as you would imagine from a factory back liner. And that's not just for the front passengers, but also for the rear passengers as well, as you are getting some nice little cutouts for seat brackets and so on. Now, the backs of the liners do feature these little built-in nubs or nibs or whatever you want to call them, and they're basically there to hold things in place. And finally, the driver's side liner or mat does feature the factory style retention hooks, which is always a nice little thing to point out. Now, we did mention the higher raised edges with these liners all around. Again, that will do a great job of keeping any possible mess off of your factory carpet. And again, that rubber material, very easy to clean, right? Simply yank them out, hose them off, and you're good to go. Now, that Pony logo, we can't forget about that. That will be front and center on both of your front liners here. And again, all four liners do get backed by a limited warranty, just in case you should need it. Moving into price point, and coming in at or around that high $100 ballpark, the genuine Ford mats here are actually positioned, I would say, right in the middle between some of your more budget-friendly options from TruShield and maybe some of the WeatherTech stuff on the higher side of the price spectrum. So all things considered, the Ford mats really not that bad, especially when you consider the fitment, the quality of that material, and the fact that you are getting the Running Pony logos. All right, moving into our install portion of today's video, and I think you know where this is going, right? Softest 1 out of 3 wrenches imaginable, maybe a minute of your time to get everything in place from start to finish. But regardless, check out this quick walkthrough from the shop.
All right, today we're gonna be installing some floor mats on our Mustang, so let's get started. All right, so we need to remove our factory floor mats. To do that, we're just gonna lift up on these securing tabs on the driver's side. Our driver's side is the only one that has these. We're just gonna lift up, release them. You can pull that out of the way. You go ahead and do the same thing for the passenger side, and our car did not come with any rear floor mats, so there's nothing to take out back there. Now we're gonna get our new floor mat installed, so we're gonna set that in place. Just gonna line up our 2 tabs in the carpet with the 2 on our floor mat. Just push them down. And just push the rest of the floor mat down so it locks it into place. You can go ahead and do the same thing for the passenger side. All right, for the passenger side, we're just gonna set this in place. There's no retaining tabs. So that's just simply push down and set in place. Now we're gonna install the rear. You'll notice they are side dependent. The deeper cut will be on the inside of the vehicle. That just simply sets into place, just like that. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And that wraps up our install of our Ford tray style all-weather front and rear floor mats with Running Pony logo, black, for a 2015 and newer Mustang. And remember, for everything Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.